Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to delve into a conversion that is especially useful for large-scale measurements and international projects, converting yards to kilometers. This conversion is crucial in fields like surveying, athletics, and large infrastructure planning. Let's begin with the basics. A yard, often abbreviated as YD, is a unit of length in the Imperial and United States customary systems. A kilometer, denoted as km, is a unit of length in the metric system, commonly used around the world for measuring long distances. Here's the essential conversion factor. 1 yard equals approximately 0.0009144 kilometers. To convert yards to kilometers, simply multiply the number of yards by 0.0009144. For example, if you need to convert 1,000 yards into kilometers, multiply 1,000 yards by 0.0009144. This calculation results in approximately 0.9144 kilometers. Let's consider a practical scenario. If you're involved in planning a road project and your initial measurements are in yards, but you need them in kilometers for documentation or communication with international teams, it's straightforward. Just multiply the length in yards by 0.0009144 to convert it to kilometers. And there you have it. Converting yards to kilometers is a simple process when you know that 1 yard equals 0.0009144 kilometers. With this knowledge, you can easily handle conversions for larger distances, making your work in various industries much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. For more informative conversion guides and math tips, be sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.